Yes, hello, welcome to our YouTube channel of Hair Zipper. And now we are going to talk about the extended dreads. These ones, they are not like the one you've been seeing, because I make them more soft, as you can see. So we started with the locking. As you can see, I make sure I arrange them in boxes so that they look smart and neat. So just follow me as we're doing this, because I know it's going to take like about 5 to 6 hours. People think that dreads, they are very painful, but there's a trick on it, how you can make it not painful. When you're trying to lock, because the locking is the most important thing, that when you're locking, you don't lock it up to the skin. Like, you make sure you leave that space so that if you're going to lock after putting the extension, you'll be able to lock again. So you don't lock like 3 times. Let's make sure I lock once so that you leave this space, as you can see. So the next time I'm going to lock it, I think it will be very neat and it won't be painful. And I apply this like gel so that I can hold all the hair together like this. Make sure I leave this space for my extension. This one, please, if you're trying to lock, don't lock very tight, because when you do it, obviously you client, when you're trying to pass the extension, it's going to hurt. This is how I'm doing it. Like this, slowly by slowly. I know you're going to enjoy this video, and please make sure you subscribe.
Long lasting and so washable, easy to style. What was it I say? Was it sound your way zipper?
So here I think our first step is done. As you can see, I try to arrange my lockings in this box format. So right now the next step we're going to do is to put the extension, and we're going to use soft kinky. Today I chose this color 2, because for it, it's not that pure black, so it looks like the hair. And when we're locking, you don't lock from here, you do from the sides like this. So I'm going to show you how extended dreads are supposed to be locked. You separate it in 3 portions, and then you do like this. After, pass through once, twice, down and up, using that same hair. So when here it's done, obviously this is a small thing, still you keep locking it as you're getting others, slowly by slowly, down and up, down and up, just like that. This is how we play the extended dreads. It's different from the normal dreads you've been seeing, because this is more softer. Just like this. Remember, it's up, down, up, down, like that. So when you're getting done, like at the end, this is what we do. make sure cut this and bring it backwards like this. Bring it backwards like this. So here it's done. And like the last time, the way I told you, we have to lock again for our braid to be firm. So this is how we do it. Just like that. So you can see the way soft it is. So keep following me up to the end and you will see how amazing extended braids are.
Long lasting and so washable, easy to style. What was it I say? Was it sound your way
I left this space so that my extension can go through. So when you're locking, in order not to hurt your client, you make sure you bring it slow like this, just like that. You see how it is locking, just slowly. It's just because I left the space. This one, if it's like this, so it means I can pass the second time to make it firm. Yes.
Easy to style. What was it I say? Was it sound your way
I think now my extended braids, they're now done, as you can see. So this is the look we've been waiting for. Very soft and not painful at all. So thank you so much. Keep subscribing as I'm giving you more of the hairstyles and the trending ones. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe the Hair Zipper YouTube channel. I love you so much. Next time.